Okay, so we have to work out the following increases or decreases. So the first one. So increase 90 by, we'll start off by 10%. Right, so we were working out earlier that, right, here's 90 euro. We worked out earlier that each one is 9 euros, isn't it? So if I divide 90 into 10, or 90 into 10, I got, so this is 10% is 9 euro. Next 20% is 9 and 9, 18. Alright, so if I increase that by 10%, 10% is 9 euro. So add on 9 euro, now I've got 99. Increase that by 20%. So 20% is this much. Alright, so I'm increasing it by 18 euro. So now I have 108. If I increase it by 30%, I'm increasing it by this amount. Okay, so I'm adding 27 to 90, which is 117, isn't it? Alright. Okay, and what happens if I start decreasing? Decrease by 10%, yeah. So I'm going to take that away. So take that away. Yeah, then we're down to here, we're down to here, 81. Decrease by 20%. Take another one away.
72.
Now we're at 72. Alright,
63.
that was my original, and now that's taken away. Now we're down to here. Alright, decrease by 30%, take another 9 away, and you've got, now we're down to 63. Okay? And now we're going to discuss another technique. So the other technique we were talking about, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my 100% again. Right, so my other technique. So again, increase 90. By 10%. So this is my 90 euro. So this way, this is the method I want you to use. So this is 100%, 90 euro is 100% of my money. So what we're going to do is we're going to, instead of breaking it up into tens, we're going to break it up into hundreds. And by doing that, what you do, so it's 90. So I want to find 1% first. So I want to go from 100 all the way down to 1%. Find out how much 1% is. So 1% is down here. That's 1%. So 0 and 1%. So we're going to divide by 100. So divide by 100 breaks it up into 100 pieces. And I find out how much 1% is. 0.9. So 1% is 0.9. But I want to increase it by 10%. So by adding on 10%, now I'm actually looking for 110, aren't I? So I went from 100 down to 1 by doing that, and now I'm going to multiply by 110 to get up here. We did that earlier, and we found that it was 99 euro. Same answer as before. Okay? Right, we'll take the same numbers. What happens if I want to decrease it? Well, I start off in the same manner. I take my amount of money, 90 euro. That's 100%. So I'm going to divide by 100 to break it up into 100 pieces. So first of all, I thought that's 1%. See, this is 1%. Now I have to decrease by 10%. So decrease. So now we're actually looking for 10% less. We're actually looking for 90%. So I'm going to multiply by 90. So 0, 9 nines, 81, and there's one decimal point. It's 81. So my answer is €81. Okay? So, okay, so a couple of other examples. All right, so €60. And we want to increase by 20%. So I'm just going to write, we want to increase it by 20%. Okay, so this is €60. We have to find 1% first. What do we do? How do we find 1%? We divide by 100. 60 divided by 100? 0.6. Alright, and we have to increase the amount by 20%. So we're adding on 20%. What's 100 plus 20%? 120%. So we're going to multiply by 120. So, €72. Okay. Okay. Another example. And a regular one. Is that what you want? Okay. Let's see if we can find one. Well, let's say €280, and we're going to increase by 15%. So we're going to increase it by 15%. Now get out your calculators there. So 280. Now we're going to, because that's 100%. Now we're going to find 1%. So divide by 100. That's 2.8, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 1% is 2.8. Now we are going to add on 15%. So what are we going to multiply by?
150.
100 and add on 15.
150.
Multiply by 115. Because we have to get all the way up to 115.
322.
€322. Everybody else agrees with that?
Yeah.
Right.
Can you get 15% from this later on?
Yes, you can. But this is a better way. Well, better way of doing it. Right, we'll have a look at another one. So, ready at the calculator. So, 480. So, we're going to increase by
4.8.
5%, even though it's badly written. So, €480. First of all, what do? We find 1%, which is 4.8. Now we have to add on 5. So we multiply by
105.
105.
504.
€504. Okay?
Yeah, 504.
Yeah. Right. Okay, another one. Okay, so I'll get in a regular one, as you said. I'm just going to make this one up. So 375, which is 100%. Right. 375, and I want to decrease by 17%.
Divided by 17.
No. 375 is 100%, so we break it up into 100 pieces. So divide by 100.
3.75.
So 1% is worth 3.75. But I want to decrease by 17. Where does that bring you down to?
83.
83. So now I want to find 83 of those. 83 of those. 311.
311.25.
0.25, which is a quarter. 311.25%. Looking up, move that book. Lift the book, stand up, hands on the table. Stand up, hands on the table, quick. Hurry up. Stand up. Stand up.